Good morning, guys. How's it going? It is, well, early, like 6:45. It is Saturday. I actually cannot deal with how I look right now, but that's fine. And I'm filming a weekend in my life. If you're new here, my name is Emily. I'm a 4th year medical student at the University of Auckland at Waikato campus. And this weekend, I'm going on a little overnight hike with a couple friends, and before I head back to Hamilton to start on my geriatrics rotation. So I thought I'd just bring you guys along with me, and we're gonna go up the Pinnacles. And the first thing I'm gonna do this morning before I leave is ice the slice. We're taking this slice with us, coconut slice. So good, I can't wait. And I will need to get ready and brush my hair better closer to the time, but I'm gonna do this, get changed, take my stuff down to the car, and then we're heading off. So I'll catch up with you guys soon, probably when I'm in the car. But it's gonna be a good weekend. The weather forecast is looking good, and I'm excited to go for a hike. So see you guys. Alright guys, the day is officially starting. I'm just picking some music. We want some banging vibes up in here. Okay. Play shuffle. Yeah, banger!
Got me at odds, I got words I can't explain it. The plain life's getting hard, steady paying bills and got 3 jobs. I know where I am, but I just can't place it. Listen to the bone beyond belief.
Alright, just a quick stop at a gas station. I need to fill up with a bit of gas to get me to where we're going. It's been such a lovely morning. I'm so excited for a beautiful, beautiful day.
Hi there, sorry about the wait. Thanks for ordering ready.
Oh good, do you guys have like the normal just like chicken breakfast muffins?
The chicken muffin?
Yeah, that's not the chicken and bacon, just like the chicken one?
Yep, we have a chicken one.
Yeah, can I get a combo with a hash brown and a the Macca's hot chocolate? Guys, gotta get Macca's on your way to a hike. What's up guys? Just picked up a straggler here. We got chicken burger, not burger, chicken muffin, some more hash browns, and we're on the way, yo. See you soon. Alright guys, we have arrived at our destination. Now we need to do a little bit of rearranging of the packs because I just put all the food. Oh my god, look at this. I look horrific. Lucky we're going hiking and you're allowed to look horrific. Whereas Sarah looks beautiful today. So we're going to do that and then we're going to get a walking. What's up guys, we're just organising our packs, doing a little bit of redistribution. Getting some snacks out. Getting some snacks. I'm testing out my walking sticks, first time using the walking sticks. We're just discussing all the snacks because that is obviously the most important part of the hike is the snacks. And I was just testing to make sure my air warmer fit. It does. I don't no longer need to wear this. Salami and butter. More salami. Here we go. Scroggin. This is important. That goes in the top. We've got crackers, cheese, some sausage. Just leave that in the top, eh? But on top of that, I need my electronic. Oh, Alright, so I got my air warmer and some little mats. Those can go in the top, near the top if it gets cold. Do you have your snacks and stuff?
They're in the top of this.
Will you put the snacks in there?
In there?
Yeah.
Just kind of,
Yeah.
just because I'm worried about how kind of back heavy that's going to get.
So put your snacks at the top.
Okay.
Alright guys, this is the setup. 2 sticks. I've got the pouch just for my camera, so you guys are easy access. The pack, the boots. I'm ready. And this is how we will go. And that, people, is how you hike. Thanks for coming along to my lesson today.
Thanks for my TED talk.
The birds fly south as the light leaves your eyes. Hold on to your dream. Oh, I know you wanna scream. Since the day you're born, you're just
Green on you.
Just doing a readjust, guys. Are you just gonna carry your sweater like that?
I'm going to take it out of my shirt, yeah.
to blossom, hoping to break through the storm. There's gotta be a brighter day, a summer breeze on silk and honey.
72 questions with Sarah. How's the hike going?
Bloody marvellous, mate.
How are your feet going?
Perfect. No tramping, bucking boots required.
Alright.
That one's wobbly. That one there.
Guys, this is where you can camp. 5 minutes walk from the hut. There's a few campsites down here.
No fires as well.
Oh! Alright, fashion show, guys.
I love the socks and sandals.
Stunners,
I really love
stunning. Oh! Oh! This is our setup. My bed, Sarah's bed, Christina's bed.
Cam's bed. Oh well, if it's not, we'll just have to make shift. Alright team, just going to head up to the Pinnacles summit for sunset time. Got a little day pack on. Taking this straggler with me. Alright. Alright guys, that's the track that we're going up all the way up to there. Guys, there's a hut. Look, they've got a fire on down there. That's the hut. And this is the trail all the way down. What's up guys? Just got no hair showing. Come to the top of the Pinnacles to watch the sun set. How good is this? I feel like my camera's dirty. Can you see that? Brought the scraggler with me, forcing him to hang out. Oh, the colours are so cool. It's so nice. Guys, just walking down now. So nice. A little bit dodgy rock climbing, but nothing too shabby. What's up guys? You probably can't see me right now because I've got my head torch on, but I just thought I'd update you. We've had dinner, the hut's super full so it's a bit busy. I'm just going to pee, but we've had dinner and now we're just playing some cards with some people. It's been a really good night and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning featuring my beautiful toilet sign. I think we're going to try and get up for sunrise and go back up to watch the sunrise. So watch the sunset tonight, sunrise tomorrow. So I'm super excited. I'll see you guys in the morning. Ciao! Good morning guys, it's about 6 o'clock. We're headed up to the Pinnacles again to watch the sunrise. Got two beautiful ladies coming with me. The scraggler from yesterday is staying in bed. Good morning guys, anyone know what the time is? It is 6:58. It's 6:58 and we've just got to the top. I'm sitting on this little outcrop of rocks here to watch the sunrise. It's not quite up yet but it's definitely coming. There they are, how good, absolute champions. We climbed that really quick, like bosses. I know, I was literally thinking that before we left. I thought we could have made hot chocolate.
Yeah, that was real rookie. Sorry guys, didn't even think. I wasn't even awake when she was like 10 minutes to go and I was like, whoa. It was a very tight time.
Well, I woke up with 12 minutes to go and I had 2 minutes to get out of bed and then tell you guys to get up.
Asleep, and then I was like, whoa, there's someone in my face, and then you were like, we're leaving in 10 minutes. I was like, whoa, fuck, what? A poley, one poley.
Guys, there's the moon.
Just a poley.
It's the moon. So we've got 15 minutes till its official sunrise, but we're starting to get quite bright over here. Where's a bird?
Might be feeling kinda lonely. Then my heart starts talking. You are never alone. Whispers my heart, whispers my sweetheart. You are never alone, whispers my sweetheart.
Alright guys, we've seen the sunset. It was beautiful. We've got to head down and pack up our stuff before the hut closes. How good though. Stunning. Worth it guys?
So worth it.
So worth it. Alright guys, we're heading back down to the hut. We've essentially passed the rock climbing bit and now we're just heading down the stairs. What's up guys? Just having our breakfast before we head off.
Like, yeah, just don't fill it right up to the top.
We had pancakes, eggs and baked beans,
No, it's
coffees,
just,
hot chocolates.
Because yours is half
Very
full of
good.
cold water, so I wanted to pour some of the hot stuff in there to cool it down.
Alright guys, we're pretty much headed off. Wonder if I just... This is not one of your sleeping bags. Yeah! I'm just updating the vlog. We're all ready to go. Got my walking poles, walking shoes. Alright guys, we're pretty much ready. Last minute bits and pieces.
Oh, it's even fine here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the helipad because I want to have a look. You guys, we were up there all the way at the top.
Fuck yeah.
We climbed up that.
Shit, yeah.
I've got this, but I'll stop probably to take this off soon.
I'm a little bit excited.
We're getting delayering.
First stop, and we're literally a minute and a half in.
Alright guys, we've been hiking for like maybe an hour and a half. Hiking for like an hour and a half. And we've made it to our first swing bridge on the way down. Almost ripped another hole in my leggings. Here's our bridge.
One person.
One person at a time.
He was 16, holding her hand. They were wasting all the time they had. They were building big wonders they knew. Time stayed as long as they wanted.
Oh yeah, go.
What's up guys? Almost home. Got about half an hour left. A few more swing bridges. Let's go. Come on.
I mean, I'm trying not to drop the camera, guys.
Rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day.
Guys, we've completed. I don't know if we can get up off the ground. It was fab. I think the weather really helped us out for this one. No wind, no rain, straight sun. Almost straight sun, but a cloud yesterday morning. No wind at the summit. It was beautiful, so good. We're gonna go drive through and get a frozen Coke, and then I'm heading back to Hamilton to start my geriatrics rotation tomorrow. I know, that's exactly what I'm thinking. How am I gonna get up?
Even just putting my hand down to find a nice...
So I get Cam will pull you up.
No.
Okay, he can pull me up.
No, you come this far.
No, babe, please.
Nope. No, get yourself up.
No,
Oh
please.
my god, my toenails are fucking disgusting.
Help me. Help me. Oh, yes, thank you. What's up, guys? I just thought I would give you a quick rundown on how the hike went, just because I'm going to be super busy the rest of the day. I've got like to unpack when I get to Hamilton, and Cam's coming to stay for a couple of days. He's got like a conference in Hamilton, and I just have to prepare for starting a new run tomorrow, which is actually quite, like, for me that's quite a lot of work, like just like mentally preparing and stuff. It was so good. I had such a good time. It was easier than I expected. I haven't done it since I was like a kid, so it was yeah, really good. And the weather was just beautiful. Like, it was cool but sunny, and there was no wind. And we walked up to I walked up to the summit twice, as you would have seen last night and this morning, and it was honestly both times so nice, so much fun. I'm heading back to Thames now. I'm gonna get a frozen Coke, drive through before I head off to Hamilton. What's up, guys? Sorry, haven't updated the vlog in a while. I literally got home. I've brought everything up to my room that I need to unpack and got clean because I felt gross after that hike and sweaty, and I just really wanted to wash my hair and have a shower. Alright guys, how's it going? I've finished unpacking. That's just Cam stuff. He's here for a couple days. But finished unpacking, like I'm back in. I'm essentially moved back in. It's been a freaking while, guys. It's been a long time. I'm heading out for dinner now with Cam, and then I'm just going to come home, prep for tomorrow, and go to bed because I'm so tired. I've got a big fat puffer because it's like actually freezing. Oh, I've just got this black bells which you guys have seen before and I love, and I got these new mum style jeans from Assembly Label, and I've just rolled them up because I didn't actually vibe with the long jean look. But thanks so much for coming along this weekend. I'm not going to vlog Jerry's this week because I've got 4 weeks of Jerry's, so I will see how it goes this week. I'll see like what the haps is, what we're up to, and maybe next week I'll film a week in my life in geriatrics if you guys are interested in seeing that. I guess I'll catch up with you guys in the next vlog. Love you all so much. Thanks so much for coming along this weekend. It's been a fun one, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.